Today I'm going to show you how to delete the example data that was preloaded into your Amanda company when you started the trial. Now you may have more data entered into Amanda than I'm going to show you today, but it will be all in those sort of areas. So what I'm going to show you will enable you to delete everything that you don't want anymore. So first of all, we're going to look at company information and select first of all the financial VAT. Now when the system is preloaded, if you're not registered for VAT, there will be a default VAT number that will be put in here. So if you are registered for VAT, you need to make sure that you've changed that to your own number, and if you're not registered for VAT, you can delete it if you so wish. The next area to go to is in the Customers tab from Company Information, and what you'll see is a number of documents that have some default text in here. Now this default text will come out unless you change it, so you can either delete it or you can change it, and I'm going to delete this one and then just save, and that will get rid of that text in there. And you'll find that in offers, orders, deliveries, invoices and statements. Okay, so that's what you need to get rid of. Logos and layouts, you will probably have already uploaded your own logo, but if not, you need to remove these two logos that are in here, changing them with your own by using the upload facility, and you will find that there is a separate video on how to do all this, how to upload your logo. Right, so the next area that we're going to look at is the customer area. So to do that, I'm going to just close these and go into accounting and customers and customer list. Now on here you'll see the example customer, which is custom X, and what you'll find is if you try and delete this customer, it will tell you that you have to delete the invoices belonging to that customer first. So if you click on here to drill down and then select the customer invoices tab, you will find that there is already an invoice and it's actually a closed invoice. So what we need to do first of all is we need to tick that, and on actions set it to draft. Okay, once that has been set to draft, then you can delete it and save it, and that's how you get rid of the customers. Next we'll go to suppliers, and again exactly the same principle. Drill down into the supplier example, go to suppliers invoices. If there are any invoices in here which are not already set to draft, click here, choose the action, draft, and then once you've done that, you can choose the action, delete, and save. And that's how we get rid of the supplier data. In journals, if we go to the journal list, you will see there is an example journal. I need to double click on that. I need to set it to draft if it's not already set to draft, which that one was, and then click on here, actions, delete. So that will clear out all of the example data. One last thing you need to do, finally, just go back to the supplier list, click on your supplier or customer if you want to remove it. Alternatively, you can leave it there, it's not going to do any harm, and then you can select delete. Finally, employees, we did put an example employee in. Again, click on here and then actions, delete, and it's gone. And that will then remove all the data from your company that was pre-populated when you signed up for the trial. And that's it. Thank you very much.